to keeping your horse healthy and happy, one of the most important partners is your equine veterinarian. Selecting a veterinarian is a personal choice, much like choosing your family physician or dentist. Your goal as a horse owner is to find a veterinarian that meets the needs of both you and your horse. Expertise, hours of service, fees, and friendliness are just a few of the factors you will consider as you make this important decision. Because your veterinarian will maintain a medical history of your horse, including detailed records and immunizations on special medical conditions, you should choose someone with whom you can build a long-term relationship. The first step is to identify the equine veterinarians in your area. Friends who own horses, riding clubs, your boarding facility, or your trainer are all excellent resources. Ask them what they like about their veterinarian, but keep in mind their ideal choice may not be yours. If you have just moved to a new area, certainly the Yellow Pages can be a starting point, but you can also ask for your recommendations at your local tack or feed stores. Professional groups for equine veterinarians, such as the American Association of Equine Practitioners, can also help you identify the veterinarians in your area who specialize in the care of horses. Things to look for like expertise, experience, fees, location, and convenience can seem obvious, but things like friendliness and communication are just as important. Once you've identified the equine veterinarians in your community, meet them before making the selection. Schedule an appointment with your veterinarian at his or her clinic. Meeting a veterinarian in person is always the best way to make a fully informed decision. Some of the key things you will want to ask during this meeting are: what services are offered? What are normal office hours? And how are emergencies handled during and after office hours? If it is a group practice, can you request a specific veterinarian? And if so, how much lead time is necessary to make an appointment? Which clinic or hospital does the veterinarian refer clients when specialized care is needed that is not offered at his or her practice? And what methods of payment are acceptable? Is immediate payment expected on the day of the visit, or will you be billed? Another important consideration is whether the veterinarian is a member of a professional veterinary association or continually pursues professional development and hands-on training in the latest advances in equine medicine. Nearly all veterinarians whose practice focus on the horse attend continuing education meetings. In most states, veterinarians are required to receive continuing education in order to retain their license to practice veterinary medicine. While this benefit to the veterinarian may be obvious, the benefit to you as a horse owner is even greater. A veterinarian with a commitment to lifelong learning will know about the newest treatment options for things such as problem pregnancies, lameness issues, and much, much more. Be sure to ask the veterinarian how he or she stays up to date on the latest advances in equine medicine. But most of all, you want to be comfortable talking about your horse's care with the veterinarian you choose. Communication is the key to your horse receiving the treatment it needs. Choose a veterinarian who is responsive and answers your questions in terminology that you understand. Remember, your veterinarian should be your first resource for your horse's health, but you can also get information from experts by visiting the AAEP's Horse Owner website. One final piece of advice: don't wait until an emergency occurs before you select a veterinarian. 2 a.m. on a Sunday morning is not the time to introduce yourself to a new vet. All veterinarians are unique individuals, just like all horses. Take the time to choose the right one for you and your horse.